Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to optimize After Effects for low-end PCs. Open the After Effects, go to Help, About After Effects, then check the version and build number. Now go to Preferences, Memory and Performance, set the RAM reserved for other applications to lower value to allocate more RAM to After Effects. Don't allocate all RAM to it or it will slow down the entire system. Enable multiprocessing. This helps speed up render times by utilizing multiple CPU cores. And optimize RAM cache. Enable use RAM to previews and increase the cache size if possible. Now, optimize your disk cache. Go to Preferences, Media and Disk Cache. Increase the size if you have extra free space and set the cache folder to a fast dedicated drive, preferably an SSD for better performance. And that's it guys, now you can run the optimized After Effects version on your low-end PC. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.